祝福揸小秋啊！我哋好水啊 ！JustEscape95。
Escape95. JustEscape95.
Hello, how's everyone doing tonight? Yes, sir. Thank you everyone for coming out tonight. Hopefully you're having a beautiful evening. Yeah, bunga. Yeah. You ain't gotta have a lonely morning. Wake up by your side, it's a dream I belong in. You can change a stormy night to a sunny morning. Take me on a trip, cause baby I keep falling. I want you. Lava, how you doing, my dear? I like your lava, let me be the safe for your ear. In Samoan, we don't say the stars in your pupils. We say you remind me of a cannot be super. You so fine like the mess at the sea. She keen for a ride, it's food, so is he. Bonafide queen, I seen you with your Mickey. She want an island boy, let me be your Tamasee. So sissy, you tryna ride and catch a bus. I don't got a car, hope you like a long walk. You a sight to see, like the cream of the crop. You getting so bold vibes with the way that you talk, ay. You ain't gotta have a lonely morning. Wake up by your side, it's a dream I belong in. You can change a stormy night to a sunny morning. Take me on a trip, cause baby I keep falling. I want you. Something might be more. I gotta see. No other love like an island girl giving back. I don't mind if you got a hyena laugh. Music to my ears, girl, you sound like a biscuit. Voice make the whole room my lippy. I ain't jesting, girl, I ain't messing. You remind me of home, I'm tryna embrace it. You got an accent, say your name, I'll listen. If you high maintenance, baby, I'm patient. No one compares when she's in a lava. Moving so fluid, you can call her molten lover. Try to compliment her and she said you a lover. Long as she don't call me cousin, I ain't really bothered. You ain't gotta have no lonely morning. Wake up by your side, it's a dream I belong in. You can change a stormy night to a sunny morning. Take me on a trip, cause baby I keep falling. I want you. Something might